Guys, are you in search of the websites where you can make money online by simply typing and working from your own home? If yes, then you are in the right place. In this video, I have brought top 10 websites where you can make money online by simply typing, okay? What's up guys, my name is BrosPremm and I am from Millionaire Challenge. I share each and every experience of my life to make money online in this channel. So if you like to be part of it, make sure you subscribe our channel. And now guys, without being late, let's start the video. Number 10, Workingsolutions. Workingsolutions is the website which allows us to make money online by delivering our skills, okay? This is the dashboard of this website, as we can see here. At Workingsolutions, we support you with ongoing education, community support, and the right resources to deliver exceptional customer experience. So guys, in this website we can deliver our skills to make money online, and this website pays $15 per an hour, and this website says these are estimates based on our average agent pay of $15 an hour. Agent can make more or less depending on the program and incentives, okay? And guys, to apply for the jobs available on this website, we need to click on the apply now button that is on the right corner of this website. Number 9, Freelancer. Freelancer is the website where the different business persons or the business communities can hire a freelancer, and the people like us who are in search of the work can make money online freelancing, okay? So guys, in this website we can offer different services to our customers. For example, writing and content, data entry and admin. This website is absolutely legit guys. Number 8, Scribe. So guys, Scribe is another website which allows us to make money online by simply typing. And guys, this is the front page of this website, and now guys, this website offers $0.8 per minute rate for the workers who are working here as a transcriptionist, okay? So now here guys, to apply for the job in this website, we need to submit application at first, then we need to take the online test, and then only we can earn per audio hour, okay? To apply for the job, we need to click on the apply now for a transcriptionist test, okay? Number 7, Smartcrowd. Smartcrowd is the largest provider of at-home work guys. This website has been providing work for home opportunities to individuals around the world for over 20 years, okay? They offer flexible working hours while working from home, okay? Their clients are some of the largest and most exciting companies in the world, and they need your help to make their products and services better. So now here guys, to be part of this website, we need to click on join now button, and then we are good to work as a service provider, okay? Number 6, Clickworker. So now here guys, Clickworker is also the website where we can make money online by offering our skills to the customers. So now guys, you may have question what type of jobs are available in this website. Different jobs are available in this website guys. For example, text creation, categorization, copy editing, proofreading, research, surveys, and many more guys. And guys, to work in this website, we need to click on sign up button, and then you need to create a free account, and then you are good to go. Number 5, Upwork. Upwork is another website where we can offer our valuable services to the customers, okay? So now guys, this is the front page of this website, and we can see here guys, different types of jobs are available in this website. For example, web, mobile and software dev, design and creation, writing, and many more other jobs. So now here guys, you may have a question how we work on this website. Yes, as we open this website, this page opens, and now here there is a sign up button. We need to click on that and then create a free account. After that, we are good to work. Number 4, Capitaltyping. Capitaltyping is another website which offers us to make money online by offering our skills to the customers, such as data entry service, language transcription service, transcription services, and many more, okay? And guys, as we come to the bottom of this website, we can see here data entry, transcription services, So guys, here are a lot of typing related jobs available for you. Okay guys, if you are loving the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification bell, okay, so that you don't miss any new upcoming videos from us. Okay, number 3, Lion Bridge. Lion Bridge website is also the website where we can make money online by working from our home. So guys, as I said earlier, here are different job opportunities available which we can do from our own home. For example, translation service, translation testing services, translation for regulated companies, interpretation. So guys, here are a lot of job opportunities available for us. You can check out this website too. And we move to the next website, number 2, Transcribeme. So guys, this is the very first interface of this website, and guys, this is the website which offers us transcription job. We can work here as a transcriptionist and make money online. Okay, and guys, to work in this website as a transcriptionist, we need to click on join as a transcriptionist button here, and then we start earning money in this website. Okay, and guys, finally number 1, that is called Reb. And guys, this is the front page of this website. The website, it is called Reb. And guys, finally this is the website where we can make money online working as a transcriptionist. As we can see here, $1.25 per minute, and for captions too we can make $1.25 per minute. And if we work for foreign subtitles, then we get here $3 to $7 per minute. Isn't that cool, guys? So guys, these were the top 10 websites where we can make money online by simply typing. Okay, and guys, if you loved the video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any upcoming new videos on making money online. And see you in next video, guys. Till then, goodbye.